We're mixing 2/4 of flour. Oh, where's my?
It's right here.
Flour to stand mixer.
Temp mixer.
2. Another 4. Now let's see. Now we need our sugar. 3 tablespoons. Oh wait. Why is it on top? Oh, there we go. What? 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, and 3. Teaspoon. There we go. Oh, we got a teeny bit in there. Watch out. This here. You're not locking in. Just like this. That. Now.
Oh, it said whisk.
Oh my God. Don't. Alright, now I need to pour. Okay, you need to grab the butter. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is what we need for this is what we need for applesauce.
What's the applesauce for?
It's to replace the eggs, since we can't use the eggs. Yeah. Now we start this. Oh, yeah, that's right, I have to push that.
Did we have in our old house?
Oh.
Flowery.
Let me do it right now, okay?
I want to do it.
You can help it a little, okay? Okay, now we need a smooth ball. Now we need to put the saran wrap over.